So objective number 2 says be able to convert between moles and particles or particles and moles. And so I've got a couple examples here to work. And remember, the converter that you're going to use anytime you're going between moles and particles is Avogadro's number. So really the question is, do you multiply or do you divide by Avogadro's number? So for the first one, I use the same process every time. I write down the number I've been given. So 1.25 times 10 to the 26th formula units, or some of you affectionately call them FUs. And then I set up a converter with what I want. I'm being told to come up with moles. What I have my particles or my FUs. So that means my 1 goes on top and 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd goes on the bottom. So when I go ahead and divide this, I'm going to come up with 207.6 moles. Because my formula units have canceled out and I've converted to moles just like I'd hoped to. So the second question says how many molecules are in 3.85 moles of water? So write down what you're given, 3.85 moles. And then what am I trying to get? I'm trying to get molecules. I have moles. And what I know about molecules and moles is there's a whole bunch of molecules, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd in 1 mole. So when I go ahead and multiply this, I come up with 2.32 times 10 to the 24th, and then I need to label it molecules. So we really just have 2 converters that have been on the board all through this chapter. Particles to moles uses a great big number, and then moles to grams, which we have to find that number on the periodic table.